Hello everyone, and welcome to CampaignTrackly's Excel add-in. I'll be showing you how to set things up so you can build tracking links with templates directly from your spreadsheet. First, make sure that your templates are ready. You'll be using the drag and drop campaign templates, like this one right here. Next, go to Integrations and request an API key. You don't need the key itself. This is just to connect CampaignTrackly with Excel. Speaking of which, you can now head on over to the Excel add-in store and type in CampaignTrackly in the search bar to find and download the tool. Once you activate the add-in, you'll need to log in with your CampaignTrackly account, and once you do that, you'll have access to all of your drag and drop templates. All you need to build links is a column with your campaign name and a column with all of your links. And voila! Take a look at the results sheet and you have your links. And if you ever want to add any more, you'll always have the option to either add links to your results sheet or replace the links that you already have. Alright, now you're set up and ready to go. Happy tracking!